Hi friends, welcome to Taming Python series. In this video, we want to talk about how to convert a pandas data frame into a list of dictionaries. We might want to convert a pandas data frame to a list of objects for scenarios like sending the data frame over a JSON API content or creating rows for database table insertion function, or some scenarios where you can't use pandas data frame but you want to use some first class Python objects like dictionaries. It's really easy to convert a pandas data frame into a list of dictionaries. You just call toDict records on the data frame objects and then you'll get a list of Python dictionaries. It's that simple. So for this example, I have taken a CSV file. I have given you the link of the CSV file in the blog post here, and I will even provide the link of the CSV file in the description of this video. So download the CSV file. For the demonstration purpose, I have taken a blank folder. I have kept the CSV file here, and now I'll open this blank folder with VS Code. Alright, so now I'll create a new file. I'll just name it index.py. I'll use the Jupyter Notebook Cells feature of VS Code so that I can interactively show you what's going on. So I'll write hashtag percentage here, and then I'll start writing the code. So now I'll just import pandas as PD so that I can get the pandas library into a variable called PD, and then I'll create a data frame from the CSV. So I'll just write df equal to pd dot read CSV, and I'll give the CSV name. The CSV name is titanic.csv. I'll just write titanic.csv, and then let's try to see the data frame how it looks like. I'll just write df.head so that I can print only the first 5 rows of this data frame. So I'll just run this cell. Now here you can see I've got my data frame, and these are my data frame columns, and these are the data frame data. So now if I want to convert this data frame to a list of dictionaries, I just have to write df.toDict of records. So I'll just write df.to_dict of records. So I just want to store it into another variable. I will just write df objects. So this is a list of objects or list of dictionaries. So if I just run this cell, now I've got a variable called df object. So let me see how it looks like. I'll just copy it here and paste it in the interactive cell and see how it looks like. So now you can see I've got list of objects from a data frame. So now I can use this list of objects for sending it over JSON API or giving it to a function input that sends data into database and many other purposes. Alright, so now let's try to do it other way. If I have an array of dictionaries, how to convert it back into data frame? It's really simple, guys. You just have to use pd.dataframe, give data equal to, and give the list of objects. And in my case, my objects were df objects. So I'll just copy this variable and write it here. So I'll create a new variable called df2, and that's it. So I'm creating a new variable called df2, and I'm writing pd.dataframe, and in the data input give your list of objects, and now your data frame should be constructed from this list of objects. So I'll just save it and run this cell, and now I should have a df2 data frame variable. So if I just run this, you can see I got my data frame the same way as the original data frame. Now you can see the type of df2 also, just for proving that it's a data frame. I'll just write type of df2 and shift enter. Here you can see it's a pandas core frame data frame. So that's it, guys. Just by calling the toDict records function on a data frame, you can convert the data frame into a list of Python dictionaries. You can see I've created a blog post on converting pandas data frame into a list of dictionaries. I have even given you the source code so that you can copy paste in your own PC and practice it for yourself. So be sure to check out the link of this blog post in the description of this video. I have even given you the official documentation so that you can do further reading. Hope you like this video, guys. Thank you for watching.